Yesterday, the 8th grade began by just reviewing this picture and making sure that questions 1 and 2 were fully answered. Then we took a look at this image, and the question asks, do you think the small pieces in the picture formed at the same time as the rock containing the pieces? And if you look, you can see that there's small pieces embedded in a larger piece of rock. So you're going to tell me whether they formed at the same time and why or why not. Then you're going to answer this question. Then we're going to look at this image, so you can see that there are layers of rock here, and right here is called a fault, and it shows here, notice a large fault, so that is a crack in the rock. So it's asking you about the fault cutting across the rock layers, and if you look, you can kind of see some of the layers. So here kind of lines up with here, and you can see here lines up with here. So the question asks about the fault cutting through the rock layers, and it asks, do you think that they're the same age? Why or why not? And then answer this question. Now, here there is a video that I have assigned to you on McGraw-Hill. You need to watch that video. Through the video, it has the 5 principles of relative age dating. Make sure that you put each of those in here. And then here for question 8, it asks, which principle did you apply in step 2 of the investigation? So when it's referring to step 2 of the investigation, we'll go back up. Each of these is considered a step in this investigation, because if you see at the top, this is an investigation. So step 2 is question 2. So you will go here and you will tell what principle did you apply. So which one of these 5 principles applies? Look for the picture that's similar to this one. And then you're going to assign the rock layers in the diagram their ages from oldest to youngest. So oldest is 1 and youngest is 4. Then here it asks, what principle did you apply in step 4? Go back up to question 4 and answer the question. Then you're going to here label the older feature and the younger feature. Finally here, you are going to tell which principle you used in question 6. And then you are going to label the rock layers and the features from oldest to youngest. Then here you are going to read the definitions, and then you are going to sketch each principle. Now if you look in the video, it shows you each principle, so you can just sketch those here. When you have completed this, you're going to go up to page 8 and complete B. I'm sorry, page 8. You're going to do A. You're going to look at the evidence that we've learned so far and how we can figure out that the rock record provides relative ages. Use the information that we have learned so far and put the evidence here. If you have any questions, please email me, and have a great day.